1,000 subscribers. I can't even believe it. Thank you everybody. Everybody who clicked that subscribe button and got us to this point, and I even know exactly who the 1,000th subscriber was. Jake Kalbach, thanks for hitting that subscribe button to get me to the 1,000. I used to work with Jake because he was summer help for where I work, and they let college kids come in for the summer and earn some money. So good luck in college, Jake. I hope everything's going well for you. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. And guess what? You win the X-Max. Just kidding. I am not giving away an X-Max for 1,000 subscribers. I might give one away though for 100,000 subscribers. I have to keep that in mind. Yes, 100,000 subscribers, as long as it doesn't take like 10 years from now, I'll give an X-Max away. You heard it right here on this video. 100K is an X-Max. So that takes us to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And, well, as I mentioned before, unless you're new to the channel, I'm gonna give away one of 4 Latrax vehicles. All of these are electric vehicles, but let's run this down real quick. First, we have the Latrax Teton. The Teton is a 1/18 scale 4-wheel drive. It comes in 4 different colors: orange, green, red, or blue. Then they have the Desert Pre-Runner, and that is the short course truck. That's also a 1/18 scale 4-wheel drive, and that comes in blue or red. Then they have the Latrax Rally. Once again, 1/18 scale 4-wheel drive, and that comes in 4 colors. It comes in blue, green, orange, and red. And then last but not least, we have the Alias, and that is their drone, and that also comes in the blue, green, orange, or red colors. So I'm just gonna make this video short and sweet. I wanna know, what do you want for the giveaway? The vehicle that gets the highest votes, and put the color down. I'm curious to see what color, so that way I have an idea of what color to order. But put the color down, let me know which vehicle. So I'm gonna let the voting open for 1 week, October 26th. That's next Saturday. That is the last day that you can vote for what you want for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll make a short little video the next day on Sunday, October 27th, and I'll announce to everybody which vehicle won the voting and which vehicle is going to be the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So once again, I can't thank you enough. This is my way of thanking you. Thanks everybody who clicked the subscribe button, and I can't wait to see your votes on the next Ready to Run RC.